Well, folks, we're going to be doing another Kijo Fitspiration Fit Spot, and we're out here at Stewart's Blueberries, just past Cathcart, coming from Brantford towards Woodstock, and we've just caught Joan in the middle of doing something interesting. What are you doing today, Joan?
I am picking blueberries.
Pardon?
I'm picking blueberries.
Yes, really? You're picking blueberries? I thought you were a famous singer. I didn't know famous singers took time to pick their own blueberries.
Well, famous singers who like to eat healthy and support local farmers sometimes have to do stuff all by themselves.
And this is the Stewart's farm. Very nice people. They've got a beautiful facility here, and we're going to zoom in on a couple of nice big blueberries that you're picking.
Oh, I see. Look at that!
Aren't they lovely? That!
Oh, man.
Can you imagine, folks at home watching that, how good those taste? Not that we're supposed to eat them in the field, but I don't think Lee would mind if we'd had one just to show. Aren't they good right off of there?
So good.
So good for you.
So this is an activity that you can do with your children, you can do with your spouse, you can do with friends, you can do by yourself.
Yeah.
And not only is it nutritious, it's spiritual, and you know, you're out in the environment, you know, supporting local farmers. You've got tons and tons of antioxidants and fantastic nutrients coming off these blueberries, and you're doing something physical as well.
Yeah. And hi, I'm Keith. As you can hear, there's other people in the field talking and that, so instead of sitting around the kitchen table having their coffee, they're out here picking blueberries and talking together and singing together.
And yeah, people are
having fun.
And they're out here picking berries for their freezer, for making jam, and you know,
pie.
And pie. And,
oh, there's a lovely one. I'm going to jump in there and grab one too.
Tarts and yeah, and to put in smoothies, you know, add blueberries to your protein shakes. And you've got all the nutrients.
Get that, folks.
That you can, you know, all the nutrients that you can muster up.
Don't they look good?
They're so good. They're delicious.
Put them right in our pail. Look what we've picked so far, folks.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, we've been here maybe not even an hour.
I can't believe that this is something I've never done before. I've certainly ate a lot of blueberries in my time, and I've certainly, you know, my son BJ loved blueberries. Loves them. So.
Yeah.
And seeing as I am a huge fan of the 50s, as everybody knows, which goes in hand with being a Happy Days aficionado, we have to do this. Okay? Ready?
Okay.
Everybody join me. I found my thrill on Blueberry Hill. On Blueberry Hill, where I found you. Yay!
Hey, that's right from Richie Cunningham and Fonzie version there.
Yes, yeah. Every time Richie would come through the door, he would sing that. Yeah.
So you can see, this is a beautiful facility the Stewarts have here. They have two, I don't know, maybe 2-acre plots of blueberries. One's way at the front. Beautiful rows, nice grass. They're easy to pick because they're chest high. For the most part, there's some down a little bit below, but anyway, it's a beautiful facility, so come on out, get your blueberries.
You're looking for your 30 minutes of exercise a day, which you should be having. Everybody should do at least 30 minutes of some form of movement. Okay, here you go. You know, you'll probably be out here a little bit more than a half hour, but the entire time you're moving, you're getting the vitamin D from the sun. You're out here in the elements. You're supporting local farmers. You're look at the size of this one. Look at that! Look at that! It looks like a chest.